Hello all and welcome to TLComputing. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean the keyboard and the mouse. First step would be to use canned air to spray the keyboard. If you don't have this though, I have a technique for you. You want to gently lift the keyboard, tilt upside down and then shake for 15 seconds. This should get rid of most of the bits that are hanging in there. Secondly, you need to use a piece of tissue and wipe over the keys. You can apply some force if you need to, if there's parts that really want to stick on there, but generally a little wipe should do you. For the next step, you want to fold a piece of cloth or a tissue and then gently glide it between the keys. You can do this in gentle horizontal motions, making sure to get all of the little dust that's still in there from when you shook the keyboard earlier. For the fourth step, you want to use a tissue and gently wipe over the mouse. When you get to the bottom of the mouse, you want to make sure to give the sensor a good brush over while being very careful. And here's a recap for what the steps we did, and I would like to give a big thank you for watching, and if you like this content, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.